Hi, this is Ajanta ma'am. Today we shall discuss how to tackle analytical questions from Act 3 of Macbeth. Focus on analyzing characters, their motivations, the themes concerned, the symbols, and how Shakespeare builds tension and foreshadows the tragic outcomes. What are the key moments and analysis of Act 3? First and foremost, Macbeth's psychological decline. Macbeth's growing paranoia and guilt start to dominate his behavior. His decision to kill Banquo and Fleance, despite them being his friends, shows how fear of losing power has made him ruthless. How does Macbeth's soliloquy about Banquo in Act 3, Scene 1 reveal his inner conflict? This is an example of an analytical question. For the answer, you will write Macbeth's soliloquy reveals his jealousy and fear of Banquo. He worries that Banquo's descendants will inherit the throne, making his own kingship meaningless. Here Macbeth is greedy. Macbeth sees Banquo as a threat due to the witch's prophecy and feels trapped by fate, leading him to order Banquo's murder. Further, this scene highlights Macbeth's psychological decline as he chooses violence to secure his power, further distancing himself from his noble self. Who helps him in this cause? It is Lady Macbeth. But we see a marked difference here because Lady Macbeth is no longer bothered as to what Macbeth is doing, and Macbeth also does not confide in her much because he sees that he is able to handle all this all alone. He is so far into the crime that he stops taking the advice of his wife. Then we come to the most important scene, the banquet scene. Now, what analytical question can come from this scene? First and foremost, which is the banquet scene? The banquet scene is Act 3, Scene 4, whereupon Macbeth sees Banquo's ghost at the banquet, which he and his queen have laid out for everyone, marking his first public display of guilt and madness. Lady Macbeth attempts to cover for him, but this scene also hints at the weakening of their relationship, which in turn foreshadows Macbeth's isolation. What is the significance of Banquo's ghost in the banquet scene, and how does it affect Macbeth? Banquo's ghost represents Macbeth's own guilt and fear, because he hallucinates. Seeing the ghost unsettles him, causing him to act erratically in front of his guests, which damages his reputation as a strong ruler. This scene also emphasizes the theme of guilt and the psychological consequences of his crimes, showing that Macbeth cannot escape his conscience even in the presence of others. The moment he feels fear, he starts hallucinating, and this unsettles him. Therefore, this scene is very, very important because Macbeth's guilt starts to dominate him and he cannot control himself. So, this scene is very, very important, especially the banquet scene, for your analytical questions. Please like and subscribe and share my videos for a complete in-depth analysis before your boards.